heavy rain will never wash the stone. A silent wasteland that I walk alone. I trace the shadows of a shattered street and hear the echoes of the last defeat. I feel the memory bleeding through the gray, the final words before you slipped away. I take the burden that I couldn't bear and forge a weapon from the earth, I swear. I draw the steel and let the limits break. I risk it all for what is left to stake. The golden aura has been stripped away. A quiet graveyard where the fallen lay. I step beyond the edge of endless night. Through this forsaken fate, my blade carves the light to break the cycle of a bleeding age and write salvation on an empty page. I walk the distance to another dawn and keep the promise when the rest are gone. The silent storm begins to pull me near. I leave behind the gravity of fear. The static rises as the world turns pale to fight a destiny that's meant to fail. I feel the rhythm of a turning tide. With all the wreckage I can no longer hide. A second breath before the heavens fall. I stand defiant as I face it all. I let the past rebuild inside my veins and strike the earth to shatter all the chains. The golden aura has been stripped away. A quiet graveyard where the fallen lay. I step beyond the edge of endless night. Through this forsaken fate, my blade carves the light to break the cycle of a bleeding age and write salvation on an empty page. I walk the distance to another dawn and keep the promise when the rest are gone. The heavy goldy roll from deep inside for every echo of the ones who died. The golden aura has been stripped away. A quiet graveyard where the